Hi guys, my name is Jermaine and welcome back to another Body Blitz workout. Like I said before, it's always important that we warm up and stretch those muscles before workouts, and you always stretch after each workout. These Body Blitz workouts are great to start in the morning or last thing at night, or just any time in the day when you feel like you need to speed that metabolism up, you're feeling a bit sluggish, get that heart rate up and execute those fat cells. So our first exercise is a split thruster. So you're gonna get a lighter dumbbell. It's similar to a star jump and a military press. So you're holding the dumbbells close in line with the shoulders. Feet should be close together, standing nice and straight, abs braced. We're going for 30 seconds. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So keep pushing up, pulling those arms down, elbows facing forwards. You'll feel those burns on that shoulders. Keep going, guys. We're down to our last 10 seconds. Nearly there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. 30 seconds, shake it out. Metabolism will start to peak. Your heart rate will start to peak. You'll start to sweat. Your muscles will start to feel warm, but it's great. Keep embracing it, keep pushing. If you need to slow down, take a breather halfway through your exercise, that's fine, but keep going. Challenge yourself, push yourself, okay guys? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going, keep pushing. Nearly there. Last 10. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. So now we're gonna place down our smaller dumbbells and we're gonna go for a real jog on the spot. So keep that chest up, get those knees up. You wanna try and get your knees past your hips. So getting them nice and up and just on the spot. 30 seconds, blitzing it. In 3, in 2, in 1, and let's go. So let's go. Get those knees up. Get into a nice rhythm. Start off slow if you want. Or if you want, go fast. Or alternate slow into fast. Slow into fast. Slow into fast. Keep going. Slow into fast. Slow into fast. Nearly there. Slow into fast. Slow into fast. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. Shake it out. So keep alternating the speed. That will give your body a little bit of confusion. Amp it up a little bit. Push that workout as hard as you can. Excellent. So shake those legs off. Shake those, stretch those calves out. Get that chest open up. Get ready. Deep breath in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So start off nice and slow. Let's speed it up. And nice and slow. Speed it up. Nice and slow. Speed it up. Nice and slow. Last 10 seconds, guys. Keep going. Speed it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. Our next exercise is a bent over row. So we're gonna use a heavier dumbbell. Slight bend in the knees, leaning forwards from the hips, looking downwards, keeping that spine in a straight position, pulling those dumbbells, overhand grip. So shake it out. So in 3, in 2, in 1, and let's go 30 seconds. So nice and slow. Squeezing those shoulders together. Keep that spine nice and neutral. Keep those abs braced. Making sure there's no curves in the spine. So stand in front of a mirror if you have to. Check that form. Make sure it's correct. Keep going. Last 5. and stop. Place the dumbbells down. If you can, take a mental note of the amount of reps you've done in that 30 seconds. Give yourself 30 seconds rest and think, hey, I'm gonna smash that by 5. I'm gonna smash that by 10. Challenge yourself, push that bar up and keep going. This is what we gotta do. This is what we're about. So 10 seconds left of the breathing part. Get that oxygen in. Let's go. 3, 2, and let's smash it. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster now, 5. Come on, keep going. Halfway. Let's go. Amp it up. Have you beat your target yet? If not, keep pushing. Speed it up if you can. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Excellent, guys. Great stuff. 30 seconds. We're nearly there. We've got 2 exercises left. One of those is gonna be for the abs. One of those is gonna be for the biceps. Yeah, so get ready. Breathe, slow that heart rate down. Deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Fill those lungs. So get ready, 5 seconds. We're going into knee tucks. So just bring the knees in 3, 2, 1, and go in and out, in, out. This will work those lower abs. In, out, in, out. Keep those ankles and knees close together. Try and keep those feet as low as you can. Hands can go to the floor or support the lower back if needs be. Keep going, 5 seconds. 2, and 1. Excellent. So, like I said, your hands can be at your sides or supporting the lower back, keeping that chest up, bringing those knees in, squeezing those lower abs, working that area underneath the belly button. It's a hard area to work, so we've got to work hard on it. So nearly there. In 5. So get ready. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. In and out. In and out. And out. Breathe. So breathe in. Breathe out. In and out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Keep going. Out, in, out, in, out. Last 10. Out, in, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. Our last exercise of the day is gonna be a good one. We're gonna burn those biceps, get them out. Summer's around the corner. Get those great arms showing. So in 15 seconds, it's you in 30-second rounds. Let's go. So we're going for an alternating bicep curl. So grab my dumbbells and I'm ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go. So right and left, right, left, right, left. Squeeze those dumbbells, squeeze those biceps. Make them work. Make them show you what they're worth. Keep going. 15 seconds left. Last 10. Time's flying, keep going. You're doing great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Place the weights down, shake those arms out. You've got 30-second breather, and then there's 30 seconds between you and that finish line. So get ready. Psych yourself up, amp yourself up, keep pushing. It's nearly there, the finish line, you can see it. Keep working hard for it. So in 3, in 2, in 1, and let's go. Speed up those reps this time. Remember, and squeeze those biceps, extend those arms fully. Stretch those biceps to their full potential, and curl them up. Let's go. Keep going, guys. Nearly there, 15 seconds. Keep going, feel the burn. Come on, get those hands all the way up. Let's go. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent, guys. Drop those weights, shake those arms out, give yourself a pat on the back. My name's Jermaine. This has been another Body Blitz. Hope you've really enjoyed it. I have. Like he says, I'm always sweating. Hope you two are at home. See you later, guys.